Hello guys, it's me, Pat. We're going to be changing a valve that's leaking on the shower head. And first of all, we need to have a tool, which is the socket to pull the valve off. We're going to come over here and get an Allen wrench. We're going to take the little screw off, pull the handle off, then we're going to unscrew. Pull these two parts off. Then with the socket wrench, we're going to put it inside, get a screwdriver, turn it, take it off. I'm going to take the old one off. It's bent, no good. And we'll be replacing it with the new one. So here's the old one, here's the new one. We'll be putting that in. Nice and slow, you don't want to strip the threads. Tighten it by hand first. Once you feel it's tight, give a little half turn to tighten it up. That'll be it. This is the tip to hold the handle from the old one. Putting the other part back. All this is hand tight here, just decorative. And we'll be putting the handle back. Tighten it back up. That's it. I forgot to tell you guys, be sure to turn off the main valve at the outside. Sometimes they have a gate valve or sometimes they have a ball valve. You want to turn the valve off when you're working on this. Right now we'll be going and turning the valve on to let the water come out. Thank you very much. That's it.